Utah's vast West Desert, a herd moves like shadows against the open sky, the Onaqui wild horses. For generations, these horses have roamed free, their presence woven into the story of the American West. Here, life is bound to the rhythm of survival. The Onaqui cross miles of sagebrush flats in search of food and water, moving together as families bound by instinct and resilience. Foals take their first steps on the same land where their ancestors once ran wild. But their freedom is fragile. The Onaqui have faced roundups, removals, and habitat pressures that threaten their way of life. Conservation groups and advocates have stepped forward, fighting to ensure these horses remain not just as symbols of freedom, but as living communities in the wild. Through her lens, Doreen McGunagle captures the strength and vulnerability of the Onaqui wild horses. Each image is a reminder that freedom is not guaranteed. It is something we must choose to protect. Join Doreen on more behind the lens journeys, exploring our precious wildlife and landscapes. Subscribe today and be part of this shared story of conservation through art.